So today we're looking at simplifying algebraic expressions. So as you can see here, it does say expressions. Expressions, of course, are things that don't include an equal sign, but you can still simplify with equations as well. We're just starting off with expressions today. As the title suggests, we're looking for a thing called like terms, and like terms are things with the same algebra. Okay. So looking at question 1 here, the first question would really be, what is a term? How to determine 2 different terms, 3 different terms, 4 different terms. So a term basically starts and finishes with the start of a plus or minus sign. So right here, if I split these two down the middle, I have 2 terms here, minus 3x and minus 4x. That's because a minus sign has started. So down here, I have 2 signs as well, 2 terms as well. That's the first term there, 3x. My next term is minus 8. My next term is x, and my last term is 7. So there's 4 terms. Start of the minus sign, start of the plus sign, start of the plus sign. 1, 2, 3, and 4 terms there. Just one more so we get the hang of it. Here, that's 1 term. Second term, got a third term and 4th term in there. So here, minus 9k, minus 6, plus 4k, minus 3. Now what we're looking for is this idea of like terms. So to determine if terms are like or not, what you're basically looking for is having the same algebra. So like terms, same algebra, looking at example 1 here, minus 3x, the algebra there is just an x. Minus 4x does have the same algebra, just the x. So minus 3x, minus 4x are like terms. So in terms of dealing with them, you just deal with the numbers out the front. So minus 3x minus 4x, we could do minus 3 minus 4, that makes minus 7. And the algebra stays at minus 7x. Example 2. So example 2, you've got the minus 9k here. The 4k has the same algebra, just the k in there. So those two will go together. So minus 9k plus 4k makes minus 5k. And in terms of dealing with the numbers then, so the minus 6 and the 3, minus 3 and minus 6 there, they've both got no algebra, so they have the same algebra, i.e. nothing. So it's minus 6 minus 3, that makes minus 9. So that expression there, get the k's together, the minus 9k and the 4k, that makes minus 5k. Minus 6 and minus 3 makes minus 9. In our third example here, minus 7r, minus 8r, they've both got the same algebra, r. So that's going to make here minus 7 minus 8 is minus 15. That's minus 15r. Example 4, my 2 terms here, I have 7m minus 6m. 7 minus 6 is 1, so I've got 1m. Should get the equal sign in there. And 1m is the same as just m. So you can write just m if you would like to there. Example 5 here, you've got 3x plus x. Okay, so in terms of my terms, move that around, put that back there, sorry. So 3x plus x is going to make 4x. And then minus 8 plus 7 will make minus 1. Sorry, the handwriting's a bit messy, I'm still learning how to use this program. Example 6, we've got 1, we've got 8n, we've got 4. So 1 plus 4 is 5. And then there's nothing that goes with the algebra, so it's just plus 8n. Example 7, you're doing minus 5v minus 8v. 5v minus 8v. 5 minus 8 is going to get you minus 3. And it's minus 3v there today. Example 8, you've got a minus 1, you've got 9a, and you've got minus 5. So the like terms here, a and 9a. A by itself is the same as 1a. So 1a plus 9a is 10a. And in terms of your constants, the terms with no algebra, so no algebra, your constants here are -1, -5. -1 minus 5 is -6. And we'll do 9 and 10 just quickly. Some last examples, make sure we're all good. So -3b, the 6 and the -2 will go together here, so that's going to be just -3b. No change there, and then +4. Example 10 here. Example 10, -3r plus 4r is going to be, well, -3 plus 4 is just 1r, which is just r. It is possible sometimes that the algebra will cancel out entirely. So I'll just scroll down here to find an example where that's going to happen. So take example 24 here. So 24, 3x minus 3x, that's going to get you nothing. It's like 3 sheep minus 3 sheep. You've got no sheep left. So that's going to make here just 0 would be your answer there. Okay. And if that, excuse me, if that happened mid-question, try and find one where they will cancel. So that's a bit different. That's going to be 0 again. Example 35 there. Some harder ones down there. Yeah, no, nothing. Oh no, this one here. Example 33. So 33 here, we're doing minus r plus r. They will cancel. So the minus r plus r's, they're going to disappear entirely from our answer. So all we're left with doing is minus 10 plus 3, and that makes minus 7. Because by the time we've added our like terms here, the r's have cancelled, leaving us with just the minus 7 in there. And that's all I've got today. I think that's probably enough for you to go through and do the rest of the examples on your own. Best of luck with it, and thanks for watching.